What I love about the sort of team that we've built here is the diversity of sort of thought, opinion, and perspective. Combining those forces together makes us a really, really compelling team, and it's just frankly super excited to be a part of it.
It's actually almost like we brought a little bit of CCS here. It really feels like a family, both from like a Xenith perspective, but also from a CCS perspective.
I think it helps because it definitely creates a family and a chemistry that we don't automatically have to rebuild. It's just already there once we all get in a room together.
Being with a group of people that I know from CCS, it's just a great environment to work in, and I couldn't be more happy with where I work.
What I hope is that we can continue to work closely with CCS for design sponsorships, continue to tap CCS for design talent, and frankly just build a workforce team of designers and creatives here that are powered by CCS in every way.